All right, fellas. Good luck. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, what is going on? Let's do it. You are fucking giving a picture. That shit hard. Fuck are you? Catfish. Holy shit. Not what we looking for. This fucking thing. Little guy. Number 12. You want him, Bernard? You want him? No? I got small ones, like 13s and 12s. Yeah. Did you? Nice, man. Oh, nice. Dang. We were just talking about smallmouths here, too. I caught a big channel cat. Yeah? Yeah. I think Esteban's getting 12 and 13s like me, so I think we're right around there.
That's how it was last year.
Yeah.
Alex won by like a quarter or half an inch. With 2 fish.
All right, man. Oh, dude, I saw your video, your kayak when you did on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
That was sick, dude. I like that, man. Yeah. All right, man. I'll see you in a bit.
You're in the lead, bro.
Me and you with those 13s. Yeah. I'm telling you, man. That's all I'm getting too.
You catch nothing yet? Damn. Nah, I was throwing top water for like 4.5 hours.
Oh, what's up?
I was just trying to get a top water bag, dude. Not existent. I caught one on a frog. What? 12 incher. 12 incher on a frog.
No upgrades to those 20s then, huh? Yeah, I was like, man, I gotta put money on that monthly. You got a hundo bag. I gotta throw money for that.